Quick tip of the day. I'm going to show you how to make yourself feel and look a little better with only 3 Motives products. You're probably wondering, like, why the hell do I care? We're all stuck in the house. Who's going to see me? This is for those who are working from home and want to feel some normalcy, but they don't want to do full glam, obviously, because they're home. Or even if we're not working from home, we just need to pick me up because we're feeling ugly and greasy and gross and hairy. So I'm just going to use 3 products just to give you a little pick-me-up and feel better. Maybe your dogs will appreciate it, whatever, or any of your pets. Okay, so I am starting with Blush Bronzer Duo. Looks like this. I love this. This is my go-to in a pinch. So, just going to do a little bit of the blush, tapping it on tissue first, because that's what I do, because we're highly pigmented. So here we go. Just a little blush. Like I said, not full glam. Just giving yourself a little bit of color. However much you want. Okay, so now I'm taking a large powder brush and I'm going in with the bronzer. And I'm just going to go around here. You make your number 3. So that's how you should do bronzer, so it looks a little natural. And then drag a little down here. There you go. Now, eyes. What are you going to do for the eyes? I'm going to use Blush Bronzer Duo. And I'm using the bronzer. And I'm just going to go over the lid and above the crease, just to give me some color. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're just kind of smudging that on there. See, it's already looking better. It's making your eyes pop a little more. If you want, sometimes I'll dust a little bit of the blush underneath. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I don't like a whole lot underneath. Got that. Done with that. Now I'm just taking my little brush and blending. Just blend that out a little bit. And now, that was just one product. Getting all that. So now, where am I? Okay. Fiber Lush. My favorite. Everybody knows that. Scrape it on the lid. Normally I curl my lashes. But if we're just going for this little pick-me-up, it's not necessary. I've talked about doing this in layers and building up the lashes. If you want to have long, luscious lashes while you're at home, go for it. If not, just do a little. Make your eyes pop a little more, make your eyes look a little bigger. I'm just going to bring some underneath a little bit. All right, done with that. Now I'm going in. You can use any lippy that you want. I am using one of our Pout Plumpers again. This is called Sweet Treat. It's a big seller of mine. It looks great on everyone. It's pinky, it's sheer. I love it. And whether it's gloss or lipstick, I always do the bottom first and then blot it and then go in where you need to go in if you missed something. I've seen some people, they do it all on the top, do it on the bottom, and when they blot, now I got this mess going beyond their lips. So, I feel like I look presentable. I feel better. You'll feel better. Give it a try. 3 products. Blush Bronzer Duo. We have Fiber Lush Mascara and Sweet Treat Pout Plumper. Go for it. You can find all the products that I used today by going to my website, motivescosmetics.com/catsbeauty. Please do the /catsbeauty. If not, I don't know whose website you're going to. That doesn't help anybody. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to private message me. I'm planning to do more of these videos. So if you have any requests, just let me know. Have a good day.